A few weeks ago, somebody told me that AI was about to replace After Effects. Honestly, I laughed. If you've ever used After Effects, you know how powerful it is. Motion graphics, animations, visual effects, compositing. People spend years learning that software. So when I started hearing creators compare Higgsfield Supercomputer to After Effects, I thought there was no way that comparison was fair. Then I spent a few days testing it, and my opinion changed. Not in the way you might expect. The first thing I tried was creating motion graphics the normal way. Text animations, product shots, marketing visuals, the type of stuff agencies and content creators make every day. Normally, I'd open After Effects, create a composition, animate elements, tweak keyframes, adjust timing, and spend a decent amount of time building everything. With Higgsfield, the process felt completely different. Instead of building animations, I was describing them. That was weird at first. Honestly, it took my brain a while to adjust. I'm used to controlling every detail. Higgsfield felt more like giving instructions to a creative assistant. The second thing that surprised me was speed. Not rendering speed, creative speed. I could test multiple visual ideas in the time it normally takes me to build one rough version in After Effects. That doesn't sound important until you're working on client projects or ad creatives. Then it becomes a huge advantage because most of the time the hardest part isn't creating, it's deciding what to create. Now, here's where I think people are getting confused. Higgsfield Supercomputer is not replacing After Effects, at least not today. If you need pixel perfect control, custom animations, complex motion graphics, brand assets, or professional VFX work, After Effects still wins, not even close. But that's not the real comparison. The real comparison is workflow, and that's where Higgsfield becomes interesting. Let's say you're creating YouTube ads, social media content, marketing videos, UGC concepts, product promotions. You don't always need perfect. You need fast, you need ideas, you need variations, and that's exactly where Higgsfield shines. The more I used it, the more I realized it wasn't competing with After Effects directly. It was competing with the first half of the creative process, brainstorming, prototyping, testing, experimenting, and honestly, it does that incredibly well.